Hi guys, this is a first look video at XiangSheng DA-05AII digital to analog converter that was recommended to me by you guys many times, and I've also seen many positive comments and opinions on Aliexpres on DACs, digital to analog converters from this family. So I got one. It was like, I think $350. Let me check. Yes, something like $370 was the asking price, but the final price I've paid after the sale price, after the Aliexpress 15th anniversary coupons, and after VAT reduction was $260, shipping included. So I was able to shave off $100 of the asking price. That's nice. So many of you guys have recommended this digital to analog converter with me for the sound quality it's supposed to provide. So I got it. It will be burning for the next week. But for now, we might take a look inside. I will zoom in for you so you'll be able to see the front panel. The thing is that it's black, and for some reasons they've decided to do all the printing with dark gray letters and dark blue letters. So you can't see it now, but you may see it like that now. So we have a power switch. We have a XiangSheng DA-05AII, stereo digital to analog converter, high performance multi-bit digital to analog converter, asynchronous USB receiver. And we have two status indicators, power LED and ready indicates when the digital to analog converter is receiving data stream to be decoded. And then we have input selector, and we can choose Bluetooth, USB, BNC, coaxial, and the last one, optical. It doesn't have any kind of volume control. So let's take a look at the back of the device. As you can see, I've already opened it up. In the back, we have Bluetooth antenna, USB connector, digital output, coaxial digital output, that's very uncommon, coaxial digital input, BNC input, and optical input. We have balanced outputs here, and we have two sets of RCA outputs. One set of outputs goes straight from the digital to analog converter, and the second one goes through the tube buffer inside. That's a very nice idea. And we have a power socket connector with integrated fuse compartment. As you can see, my version is meant to be used in countries with 220 up to 240 volts AC. So let's take a look inside. If you want to open this digital to analog converter, you need to unscrew 8 Torx 10 screws. The top panel is metal. It's not as thick as we're used to in our reviews of the clone amplifiers, but nevertheless it's a very solid top panel. Now, if we'll take a look inside, we'll see a couple of nice things. The first one is we have two toroidal transformers. One of them is used to power the tube section, and the other one is used to power the digital to analog converter section. We have this is the most expensive version of this digital to analog converter, because this one is using 4 Burr-Brown PCM 1794 digital to analog converters. There are two ones. These two are for one channel, and these two are for the other channel. We have Bluetooth receiver board here, we have operational amplifiers. These are, or maybe let's zoom in for you guys. Yep, these are LME 49720NA operational amplifiers. And then we have a set of, yeah, you won't be able to see that, but I was able to read that. Those guys, those three guys are OPA 2604 operational amplifiers. Can I have a focus on that now? No, I can't. It's basically evening, so the lighting in my room is not as good as during midday. So let's zoom out. What else do we have here? We have some Evox capacitors, 2.7 microfarads, those two. We have some smaller green ones. I don't know if they are Evox 2, probably, but I can't get an angle to look at one of the sides of these caps, these two. What else? What else do we have here? We have three capacitors branded as Nichicons with 2200 microfarads each, black ones. And we have some green ones, and the green ones are, I don't even know how to call it, XiangSheng low ESR capacitors. And we have a couple of green ones here and the blue ones here that I need to take a look. Just give me a second. Okay, so the blue ones here are Vishay BC series capacitors, and these small guys are Sanyo, according to the description on the head shrink. Okay, so all in all, it looks good. We have a rotary selector here, board, but it's not very interesting one. But all in all, it looks good, except for a couple of things. Let's talk about them. So, the first one, these cables that are serving as an output for the audio signal do not serve much confidence. They are very thin and they do not look good. The same goes for the inputs here. That's the first thing. The second thing is these caps and these Nichicons. I've seen those Nichicons a couple of times already, and they really do look fake to me. As you can see, this one has something like a rust here. They are all scratched, but the most important thing is that the head shrinks here. I'm not sure if I will be able to get an angle on that. Let's try to zoom in. Well, they don't look very good. I've seen them a couple of times in some other devices that I bought from Aliexpres, and to me they seem to be fake. I may be wrong, but they look fake. And the onesie, or I don't know how to call them, these capacitors on the other hand, they are probably real, but there is a slight problem with one of them. If you take a look at this one and this guy, you probably may see that it's not exactly flat at the top. It looks like it is going to bulge soon. So anyway, I've started burning a couple of days ago now. So it's been playing 24/7 since Tuesday or Wednesday night. So it's been a while, and I think I need to replace all 4 of these and these Nichicons here. These seem to be working as a power supply section for the digital to analog Brown converters and operational amplifiers. So as long as the diameter will fit here, I may change them, replace them with something of bigger capacity as well. I don't know, these are 2200 microfarads, I may go for 2700 microfarads or something like that, or maybe 3300 microfarads. These ones seem to be working for the power section of the tube here. So I'll just go with something low ESR, but something that I can trust. And the tube is 6N3P. 6N3P, it's a Russian tube, so it can be replaced with something better. It's basically used as a buffer stage, so the signal output from the digital to analog converter goes through the tube and to one pair of the RCAs to give the output signal that nice tubey warmth. What I like about the build is the fact that I can tune the sound to my liking via replacing all of these guys and also the tube. So yes, it has potential to sound really good, but I am really worried about those and those caps. A lot of you guys recommended me this digital to analog converters, and this basically means that you already have it back in your houses, in your homes. So open it up, take a look, and share with me the state of these caps. How do they look in your units? Do they look good, or are they starting to bulge? Yeah, I've seen that a lot of guys got that digital to analog converter, and judging by the Aliexpres reviews alone, it's something like 30 or even more people, so it seems to be popular. So if you're watching this video right now, open your digital to analog converter and take a look at the capacitors. Other than that, I would say that I like the build. We have a separate toroidal transformer section. We have a EMI shield here between two sections. The layout on the PCB seems to be good. Yeah, I think I like it, but I wouldn't trust the capacitors. Okay, so that's it. Stay tuned for my adventures with this digital to analog converter. I will probably order the caps right now, but I will leave those for now during the burn-in because I want to take a look at those and their behavior during a couple of next days. Yeah, so that's it. Thank you. Stay tuned for a full review. The link to the store I got that one from will be in the description, so you may also read the comments left by other guys who bought this digital to analog converter, and you may get your own as well if you're feeling lucky and brave, because until 26th of March there is ongoing 15th anniversary sale on Aliexpres, so you can get that one cheaper than usual, significantly cheaper than usual. Yeah, thank you guys. Have a great rest of the day. Bye.